Let us see a story about You're All My Favorites. This story is about three baby bears. Once upon a time, there was a mother bear, a father bear, and three baby bears like this. A first baby bear, a second baby bear, and a third baby bear. Whoever tucked them in at night always said the same thing to them. You are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world. One night, after Mommy Bear had tucked them in, and after she had said, "You're the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world," the baby bears began to wonder. "But how do you know?" they asked their mommy bear. "How do you know we are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world?" "Because your daddy told me," said Mommy Bear. "When your daddy saw you on the night you were born, he said, and I remember it is very well, he said, 'Those are the nicest baby bears I have ever seen. They are the nicest baby bears anyone has ever seen.'" That was a good answer. The three baby bears snuggled down as content as could be. But one day, the first baby bear began to think. He wondered if the other two bears were nicer than he was. They had patches after all, and he did not. Maybe his mommy really liked patches. And the second baby bear began to wonder. Maybe daddy loves the other two more than me, she thought. They were boy bears after all, and she was not. And the third baby bear began to worry. "I am only the littlest," he thought. "Everybody is bigger than me." So that night, the three bears asked their daddy bear, "Which one of us do you like most? Who is your favorite? We can't all be the best." "Yes, you can," said Daddy Bear. "I know you can because I heard your mommy say so when she saw you." And Daddy Bear picked up the first baby bear to give him a cuddle. She said, "That is the most perfect first baby bear that anyone has ever seen, even with no patches." "Patches do not matter at all," replied his daddy as he tucked him in. "And when your mommy saw you, Daddy Bear picked up the second baby bear and said, "That is the most perfect second baby bear that anyone has ever seen. Even if I am not a boy, girl or boy, it makes no difference," said her daddy, and he hugged her tight. And the best baby bears in the whole world went to sleep as happily as could be, because that was a good answer too.